You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes. Add oil to your coffee. Once you learn this trick, you won't waste money unnecessarily. Give it a try, and the annoying problem will disappear. Prepare a container and pour about 250 milliliters of water into it. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee to the water. Instead of fresh coffee, you can also use coffee grounds. The effect will be the same. Stir well to mix the coffee with water. Get a jar that can hold the entire mixture. My friends taught me this. I saw it for the first time at their place, so now I'm showing it to you. It's a great method. Take some oil and pour it into the jar. Just regular cooking oil you have at home. It doesn't have to be fresh. You can also use oil left over from frying fries. Now, prepare a cap or lid. It's important that it's aluminum, not plastic. It can be any cap from a drink in a glass bottle. Make a small hole in it. Take out the wick from an old candle. If you have a ready-made wick at home, you can use that. They are sometimes available in stores. A small piece will suffice. Thread it through the cap. The longer part must be under the cap. Place the cap on the oil in the jar. Light the wick, and the problem will disappear. Wondering what problem? It's about mosquitoes. This is a way to deter these insects. You can place such a candle on your patio and not worry about bites. It's simple to make, and you definitely have the ingredients at home. Remember this trick when mosquitoes try to spoil your evening on the balcony or patio. Mix coffee with toothpaste. You'll be surprised by the end result. Products you use every day can turn into something completely different. You'll be amazed at the use of these ingredients. It's a simple and inexpensive way to create a solution that will come in handy in many situations. Here's the recipe for a mixture without unnecessary chemicals. You'll need ground coffee, salt, water, and toothpaste. Pour water into a standard cup. It can be warm, but doesn't have to be. Then add 2 teaspoons of coffee and mix carefully. Coffee is a natural degreaser, and its acidity makes it perfect for removing tough residues. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add toothpaste to the mixture, about 2 centimeters, and mix thoroughly. Now pour it into a prepared coffee filter to strain the mixture. If you don't have such a filter, you can use a kitchen sieve with gauze. Add more water to the strained mixture, about 100 milliliters. Now pour the prepared solution into a bottle with a diffuser. It's best to use a funnel for this. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then the mixture is ready. It will be perfect for cleaning the bathroom, and you won't expose yourself to toxic chemicals. This prepared mixture is invaluable for maintaining the sink in the bathroom. It will remove residues and scale. Your bathroom will shine like never before, and you won't spend more money on cleaning products. Have you ever made coffee from a jar? It's as delicious as in a cafe. When you crave such coffee with foam and milk, you don't need to buy expensive coffee machines. And if you have a machine, not every one of them has the option to make such coffee. It's impossible with a regular capsule machine. And in more expensive models, the milk version involves laborious cleaning of the frother. If you want to avoid that, just make coffee from a jar. First, prepare the milk. Place a saucepan on the stove, pour in the milk, and start heating it. In a medium-sized jar, put in a few teaspoons of coffee. It's best to use 2 teaspoons of coffee per serving. Add the same amount of sugar if you like your coffee sweet. Pour in a bit of cold boiled or filtered water. Screw the jar lid on and start shaking it. This is the way to froth the coffee. It takes a moment, but you'll notice that the coffee quickly froths up. After a short time, there will be foam in the jar. Take your favorite coffee cups. Pour hot milk into them first. Then add the frothed coffee on top, and it's ready. You can enjoy delicious coffee with milk and foam. It looks fantastic. And that's coffee from a jar. Will you give it a try? Apply coffee on toilet paper. You will surely be surprised by the effect. This method for mosquitoes and flies will definitely appeal to you. You will avoid many diseases transmitted by these insects. Here's how it works. Pour a teaspoon of ground coffee into any container, the kind you have at home. Add a bit of toothpaste to the coffee. Mix the coffee with the toothpaste into a uniform mass. Now take toilet paper. Unroll a few sheets and tear them off. Fold them in half. Then fold them lengthwise and roll them up as shown in the video. This rolled up paper is what we need. Apply the coffee and toothpaste mixture on the paper. Let me know which city you're watching from today. Now, place the prepared paper in the container. You can add some decorations if you like. Ignite the paper and extinguish it. The paper will burn, and the smoke will repel all insects in your home. Place it near a window or door. You can also place it near plants that are attacked by insects. This is a completely natural way to get rid of bugs. I mixed acetone with coffee and surprised everyone with the result. You will be amazed by this product too. It's different from all the ones you've seen and used so far. To make this trick work, put 4 tablespoons of coffee in a bowl. Add about 100 milliliters of water and mix. The next ingredient you need for this trick is acetone. It is a product most commonly used to remove and dissolve many organic substances. Just 2 tablespoons of acetone are enough to remove various stains, dissolve burnt fats, and effortlessly eliminate different spots. The final ingredient in the mixture is dishwashing liquid. Use 4 tablespoons and mix everything well. Dishwashing liquid handles various kitchen stains perfectly. But in combination with coffee and acetone, it becomes even more effective. When all the ingredients come together, pour the prepared mixture into a spray bottle. This way, you can use it best and take advantage of its properties. The ingredients in this mixture, once combined and mixed, are ready for immediate use. Such a small amount is already sufficient to clean many pots and pans, or one pan, many times. Let me know if you also use coffee for cleaning in your home. This mixture will help you get rid of dirt and burnt residues from pans without scrubbing. You will be surprised at how quickly it dissolves grease layers compared to many other products designed for this purpose. It's different from all the ones you've used so far to remove stains and burnt residues. Just apply this mixture to the burnt pan and let it work. Light burn marks will disappear immediately. You won't even need a scrubbing brush. It will only come in handy for stronger burn marks. You can also use this mixture on various other stubborn kitchen stains on metal surfaces and aluminum pots. Just remember not to clean plastic surfaces with a mixture containing acetone.